Let's get ready to rumble. We got the battle of the brushes. Today I'm testing 3 popular curly hair brushes to find out which one is truly the best for defining curls. We're starting with the OG on the left, the Denman Brush, the viral bounce curl brush in the middle, and on the right, of course, the Detangling Brush. Now, to make this as fair as possible, I've washed, conditioned, deep conditioned. My hair is clean, ready to go. I've sectioned, I've done the back. I'm going to test each section with each brush. So the first step is to re-wet the section and detangle. Then I'm applying Xtreme Wetline Gel to that section. You can see them curls are already defining with no brush. And I'm raking it through to evenly distribute the products. We've got the Denman brush in the left corner is a classic loved for defining curls and clumping them together. The viral bounce curl brush promises bouncy defined curls. And the detangling brush, of course, designed for easy knot removal without breakage. Who will win this battle? Round 1, I'm brushing each section at least twice with the brush, and then the final brush is to style. They all look good. The Denman I seem to have to be going back and forth a few times. Viral's looking good, and so is the Detangler. The Denman brush is definitely a styling brush, and I've removed other layers. It comes with 7 rows, but I've dropped it down to 4 for my particular hair type because 7 is just like an overkill for my hair. I'd say the Denman you have to use on wet hair. Don't ever try using it on dry hair. The knots, no. The Denman didn't disappoint. My curls are looking super defined, but it will tug on those tangles. So detangling wasn't the smoothest, but that definition is more of a natural look. It's more like what your curls would look like if you finger coiled, I think. Now onto the viral brush. Okay, wow. Those curls look good, right? It's supposed to work on all curl types and it feels lightweight. It really does. I was impressed by this brush. It's easy to use, glides through my hair, gives some serious definition. And I'd say the curls are thicker in size. It's more of a uniform look as well. If you apply too much product, that brush tells you, you gotta shake your hair. Make the curls defined after that. Some people scrunch their curls, but my hair type, if I scrunch with the shrinkage I have, it's disastrous. Disastrous! Now the Detangler brush. It's looking good. Honestly, it's living up to the others. If I didn't have these other 2 brushes, I would definitely say this Detangler brush is good. But now that I know about better brushes, I don't use this Detangling brush anymore. The other 2 for styling, definitely better. Even detangling, I don't know. I have another brush that's amazing. The wet detangling brush by Tangle Teaser, that one's top notch for detangling. My. Now that the Detangler is out of the race, who will win between the Denman viral bounce curl brush? There are definitely 3 different results. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. As for me, if I hadn't done this and I just told you by memory, I would definitely say the viral curl brush is the one. But guys, the Denman brush is knocking it out the park. I forgot how good this actually defines my curls. However, it doesn't detangle as well as define. This battle is about definition, and these are my curls defined with the viral brush. Look at those results. I've got to give it to the viral bounce curl brush. Because of convenience, detangling, and the definition is phenomenal. But it's a close call. For definition, the battle goes to the viral bounce curl brush. Closely, like inching, just millimeters behind is the Denman brush. And what do you think of my dry results? Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you have any other brushes that you think I should try to test out, drop it in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Why not hit that bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video? And why not like the video? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.